Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here. We're back today with another Disney Food at Home remake.
This time we're going to Typhoon Lagoon.
The land of lagoons and water slides.
I miss it. So we're going to make a dish from Leaning Palms. It has renamed itself many times as we've learned in our research. But when we had it, it was called the plant-based Picadillo
Rice bowl.
So that's what we're making.
Not long enough name, but they're getting there. So we're going to try to make this dish. Hopefully we like it better than we did last time. But we're going to dig in. Hopefully we don't smoke the house out.
Be sure to jamin.
You heard the girl. Hello everybody, we're back and we're done. We have some humongous bowls of rice and beans and plantains and peppers and pineapples, you know, the best apple, roasted corn. There's a lot of stuff in here. You can get your daily needs from this bowl. You're not trying hard enough.
It's true.
Because it literally has like everything
Everything.
represented. except for obviously the meat section.
Oh.
What's even still a section of the pyramid? I don't remember.
You got protein with the chili.
But even without tasting it, I know this is going to taste a ton better than when we had at Leaning Palms, unless it's really, really that bad, because we just did not like that dish. And I feel gypped because we didn't get pineapple, but it said pineapple on the menu.
I just think that somebody had a bad day when we got our food, but ultimately it's a good dish.
We're definitely going to go try it again.
Absolutely. I can't wait to go to the water parks again.
Whatever it's called this time. Hear ye, hear ye. The trial of the plant-based Picadillo rice bowl shall begin. So, dive in.
Are we just going to get everything all together in one healthy bite?
I'm going to try that. I'm worried about the plantain.
Oh. Yeah, we're going to take a little piece of the plantain for this.
Yeah. Actually, it's not that hard. I know what I'm straining. Plantain and salsa.
Yeah, I was able to get everything pretty easily.
That's not hard. I'm complaining about.
Dink.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
The tomato is very strong in there. And having the pineapple in there kind of helps balance it out more than the one that we had at Leaning Palms. But it's still just so present. I feel like it overpowers some of the other flavors. But I still like the consistency.
I like the rice.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the salsa.
Okay.
And I think those are my two favorite parts, which is weird because I'm not a pineapple person. But I really like the combination of the picadillo and the rice and the salsa and everything together.
I can get on board with that. And not scream so loud this
Yeah.
time on the water slide.
Yeah, I concur.
But the tomato sauce-ish is... I'm on the fence about it.
I think it works.
Overall, I think we did pretty good recreating it.
I concur.
But I want to know what you guys think. How do we do? Pass or fail in the comments. If there's any other dishes that you want us to make like this.
How many claws do you give this dish?
Oof. I give it a solid 3. I don't know if I'll make it again. It's good. If there's any other dishes that you guys want us to make, or you have anything to say about this dish, pass, fail, or even what you guys rate it, the comments is always going to be the place to let us know. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
and we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Next we have this lovely rice bowl. Plantains. Rice bowl. Mediocre at best. Not my jam. But it's spicy. Oh, my mouth is on fire right now.
Now for this rice bowl. Looking at it, I'm telling you, looks kind of sad. So the tomato sauce with some dry looking rice and 2 plantains. All right, Disney. Put everything here on the fork. Avoid the onions because I don't want to die. I don't know what it is, but it feels like it's missing something. It's really spicy tomato sauce. The rice is kind of flavorless on its own. I guess it's cooking like vegetable broth, it tastes like. But it's not really all that amazing. Nothing stands out about the dish. It's a meal, but it's kind of boring, honestly. It is 2 out of 5 plus. You're welcome. We're dead soon. We're dead soon.
Shiny. I'm so shiny.
Oh boy.
But did you like this song?